It's not to change my mind. No msiba makathi ngimine yakho. What you change just the way it's a story.
Ngeke ukuthi
See, my mind belongs to God.
Una mama yenu una 3%.
Okay, ngaba ngathi una 100%.
Mara si mine.
Nazo lezi amaRupen ngoba nazo kahle lezi ziphethwe umuntu ongaboni. Nabo labo amaRupen nabo.
Abantu abanganamasolo.
Ila makhalchi bewasha Queen Elizabeth. How is it possible ukuthi aphile to that stage?
Okay, nakhona akaboni ngoba ngiyake lento ye-evil years bese yabhora bese ngene enye generation. Lento leqhubekisa iqhutshuzwa umuntu owaziyo wenzani. Wayekhona from uMando yamuntu.
Or they twasa the spirit. Makashona lona lo munye uthwasa ispirit salo la. Which means it's the same person ngoba senza like just in different bodies.
Mana manje mina ngithi is the same person straight ngoba looking at ama-reptilian akhona ukuhlala phansi komhlabathi for 2 years iphuma siphuma ama-reptilians akwazi ukuhamba iningi ahlala phansi komhlabathi abuyiswa kakhulu and so kwale move sesibuela kudalima i-view ngo-85 83 24 85
ibizwani evil V. Oh, V for Vendetta.
Ubovu.
Yeah.
V. Ubhalwe ngobovu. Uyayidla i-TV man, yayidla ku TV.
Besingekho okay.
Yeah, maybe if you can ukuthi bekwenzakalani kuye.
Babebamba ukonita yena la. Bakungabantu abeze nge-spaceship.
Yeah.
Bazofuna amanzi, baqala bafuna amanzi. Dudu wasafuna amanzi baharvest abantu. So kunabantu abathatha bayabancela. Bomi bakho baneskin sabantu. Mama umntwana la skin saphuma kusale reptilian. I-move le bethathe ile move.
And yazi ukuthi amamuvi awayenziwa nje. Yeah.
Lezana ukuthi enizama nomthetho, zama negovernment, zama nesystem.
Yeah.
Umthetho yize umthetho uthi awuhambi la isini. Njengoba igovernment ileke imithetho eminingi, imithetho ebhaya ukuthi umntwana uma esikolweni nini ngesikhathi. Phela okay, simeni laqala. Thina siphila ku police state. Ngithi as military state.
Yeah.
Siphila niphila ngamasotsha abamthetho nana. Military state is democracy. Democratic state angithi. Kune military state angithi. Military state amasotsha bemthetho. Ukuthi umuntu ogayisa mbulala i-tax ibhatala so ubhatala imali i-politics ithingisa za umuntu abantu aphethe country military bathi military state. Thina lathi i-police state. Police state. Ikhona nekhona utho maphoyisa la South Africa.
Any?
Maphoyisa khona nekhona. And maphoyisa ukuthi ithi employment eningi amaphoyisa
It's the biggest employer.
Slave hunters.
Ama-security azangayo. Ama-security company more than 10,000.
Yebo.
Ikhona nekhona ubona chap SUV ukuthi inhlobo zama-security. Vimbela security, gijimisa security, bopha security. Storage company security.
I-owner kimanje yale makhowa.
Njengamasonto, into eregistered.
The manager.
Yeah, and so even to the country from Mapo something, it will security. That means the country in a band of a millibacan, millibajon, which can reason you charge your country. I mean, sure. A form follows function. A form follows. That's what you desire.
It goes back to sorry.
Yeah.
Goes back to after slavery. Immediately after slavery, they started inventing policing, babagama hashi,
slave hunters.
Yeah, and then but creating a jail.
Yeah,
because now they had people that they were wanting to
legalize slavery in another way.
Sure, which means under slavery, jail. Somewhere where the slaves could be kept. Like Wall Street was the biggest dungeon. And then they created Wall Street. The first trades. The first commodities. With those slaves. So most of now, but obviously this is sizomncintsha yonke into nengeke simvumele ukuthi akhosa amabhoda abuyele la abuya khona so kuzomela George automatically nazi ejele sizomfaka ejele makabume ejele sizothi simgaya isipani now we signing contracts sesinabasebenzi that's how employment began
so we slave man sosiphathala
we understand because naye ngeke safuna
ukubona khona ama house slaves khona ama fixed slaves house slave la kuntsibo ngathi house slave
yeah
slave wasigaba
no muntu wethu baba wethu ekhandi
dala ama slave ama house slaves ayihlala endlini phela slave ayibafane fixed slave name
Uncle Tom's
ilala kwindawo yenuka ngithola njani isi slave uyalima lo muntu kumele lapha yajuma kuyaswetha House slaves made them move.
Bourgeoisie, the bourgeoisie.
So house slave in house slave in
And then look at the Nina Bodak.
house slave
Overseer.
zonke lezi zigelezi moyo funde uma house slave ngoba yonke into efundela upresutaka ayikho education enceda umuntu omnyama ayekho umuntu ozothi social worker uqede ipoverty akekho umuntu ozothi uyi-lawyer uqede inhlupheko kubudaki or i-crime iqinisela kubudaki phela kunemithetho la iqinisela ebekwe uqinisela wena specific. Like for example umuntu omnyama uma uyothenga imoto wena inemali ubhadala extra for ukuthi umuntu omnyama ngoba umuntu omnyama yibo leyo bathi insurance ukuthi abantu omnyama babathenga imoto they are most likely ukuthi bangakhona uyiqeda imali qeda ukubhena ibhenki mayirepossessa le moto irepresent imoto kulimele amanye ama-parts maybe ne-insurance izolungisa ama-parts la because ibhenki ingaluzi mama ubhadale i-insurance yakhona
The house always wins.
uma ubhadale le moto isitolementi yakhona siqeda after 7 years leyo insurance boyibhadala ayibuyi basically imali yeleleni ayikho iloya mphethe or i-judge ngingajob nama-judge amanye bathi nama-chief judge nama-chief judge obuphasi la ngobani khona manje angazi ubani muhoyi nga-chief judge ubani ezothi umthetho njalo qiniso bodala and so kwabo-chief judge bona ngabasenzela 16
How lava basebenzisa Roman Dutch law. Come on.
ufundile enforce umthetho umthetho wase-Roman country
Amakhandwa ethu awasebenzi Grandma. It's either amakhandwa ethu awasebenzi or bashaya ngekhemi elintwebushlike because there's no way like the adults abo iblo ibona liblen religious spaces uriyo baba awusemdala for the thinking
phela umuntu ngoba ngingathi kusasa
umamele 702 during the week bafesh ungakhala ngakhala uzudaka yakhuluma
uzizigele
bashiya ngekhemi base belimove ku-spirituality ukuthi singakhona ukuthi
ubuyela ugama lekhemi labo le
mara bona bashiya ikhemi
no sure nalama Thanksgiving banokwayenza ungazi ukuthi i-Thanksgiving yani bali-invite lona bobo Daniel
ayikho into abongamla abayithanda njenge-spirituality yomuntu omnyama. Why is that? If they hate us
ngoba yethu yonke kwaKristale yethu kwayoga eyethu
why nithanda labantu laba why nifuna ukuhlala nibabona ukuthi okay bayenzani manje sebacabanga yini no yabo khona something enibalekelayo yabo sure bafuna ukwazi ukuthi wena ufuna ukuspanisa yini no bese bona
into manje makhe iskele yesiqale ngesikele and this thing can will last only for 10 years. This case has run for 10 years. After 10 years, it was run. And into this can is with knowledge, knowledge is powerful. With knowledge, like me, no good with him, but you tell me, people are sitting at the table, and Ukungu is all knowing. Kunku is knowledge. Me and nobody thinking about corner to an knowledge near don't say. And knowledge is conscious, knowledge is conscious. Our knowledge of your man, she has with Tamba.
Linear is cyclical.
Knowledge you should know born corner at Tangambana. Who will tell my knowledge that young boy. Yeah, no question into put to answer your man. These things are real, that's joke. Spirituality is real. And if you knowledge you are born to buy, you are born to Funa, you are born to Muslim. And you cannot use spirituality for personal gain. Who are rich or use spirituality by millionaire. To spirituality, to Muntuan's mamma, find signature. Who spirituality? When I became spiritual, you know, the separation is an illusion. We are all one. And so there's nothing about what they show you. You may be and they may want to go to Lava Kuma. Yet this Kawata. Omundi attitude danger alien within not a solution. Mufunguti, why solution is in our Mufunguti is in our Bulelo, I mean, Bulelo. We just have to support you. When
and it's an illness like with spirituality and education. For the fact that there's so many movements, as well as no
it's because people want to own the knowledge.
Yes.
When
everybody wants to be famous, or they want to be
the solution.
Oh, absolutely. Yes, thank you.
And there's you receive knowledge. And so you cannot say you own nothing.
You own nothing.
You just received and send it to me. Why me? Why can I into that too? Into that the most high. Why me? Why just account that in Sapon Gucci, Muvele, Sapon Vele Gucci. and sasekuthi lento remember near God lento lena izohindara ukuthi realize ukuthi seko ama chakras akho i7 nyaka clear if you told me sase me that's the first one ego.
Is it hot?
The root, yeah, we're not very dense. And root, okay.
Which means yonke lama system esikhuluma ngawo kahle kahle. Amen ukuthi avale wonke lama chakra i6 avule the root one kuphela. And awekho na i7 futhi because it's a lie.
Yeah.
The main one.
The main. Yeah.
That's why, but you must always be.
But you can't unlock the others.
But I'm speak
no,
just to activate and then we are doing.
Yes. Melo understand like all the long come point that team. But the shortcuts you can work on your heart chakra because it balances the bottom 3 and the upper 3. But unfortunately, everything interlinked. Male still wears a loyal
They fuck us up with the food to mess up our emotions.
Why I understand later
so every aspect as it's okay now in there.
Yeah.
When they've already thought about that and went ahead, they are sorry.
And nakhumbula izolo usegment no nuts bahambile bayothenga izinto ne. When they got back, you guys were, I think, Nelsie Yolona. Yeah. So we're talking about this food conversation. But I can't about food conversation themselves. So I'm like, oh, like frequency is something else, ne? Like, really, it's so crazy. Like, what all available within convoy, Joe and whatnot, with no, because that's how we also sell out. Politics of the stomach.
Love is powerful.
Yes, that's all.
So
528 hertz, ne? Yes.
Pure time. Definitely a Caesar. With that is heart chakra. My test is to love than the equal love. But I no me love.
And sorry again to bring this point up, but what Kabas on that's for religion. But you'd see it in religious spaces, ne? There's a post I shared. Loco goes on and says how no, because Kibwela about how no religion is detrimental wrong, you know, like it taught us to be so passive, the slave and whatnot, the slave master and whatnot. This girl, I don't know, that's not true. Me, I had cancer, I was saved, me now my Lord Christ did this. So I'm like, okay, what about the rest of the people? Sharp, now you and your family, religion, you root individualism, no, as long as not in my house, we are fine. But now you don't care what this religion is. It's been a poison to the rest of us as a people. Yeah. It's like why can't you care, Hore? Man, because when now you had cancer, when I understand the frequency, so I understand the science, you know. It's fine. Shout out to you, and then you're getting back and forth now. I wouldn't because, and I don't want to get into religious debates as well. Religious people, they're self-centered. You're so self-centered. Themselves. That's why these people are just puppets. They're really puppets. If poverty never be go poverty never be in a position that's why I'm known as Orlando Stadium. Orlando, same street. Marbona Orlando Juan. There's barking, there's toxins. There's that nasty smell. Yeah. And black people are living like that, and we have black billionaires in the country.
Someone coined the word, you know, the last, and they said in church I see church. Yeah, but everyone knows a church. Those are the most heartless people. Ever. Like okay, it's a church, sharp, but you can't in a church setting. You can't go to another house and go and ask help. And so I'm going to say, instead we understand. Yeah, okay, someone understand. It's not a community.
It's not.
With people learning the same thing.
Phela thina singabantu siyapretend
kakhulu ayithi
uthola ukuthi nokuthi ukuthi lese kunomshado umcimbi nomcimbi bofika phela umuntu ebheka uyapretend ubheke makhawu hello honey how are you.
There's even something called the Christian hug, right? That's Christian hug. So.
The question of we are advanced with an account.
Yeah, how far are you? Yeah, oh, Busbanban, yeah. At the same time, it's a competition. So the others will try.
That time they fear. Which is the most reaching creative fear. Fear. When fear you lose and if you told by X5 last week, when fear you lose X5. Ngapo anxious ngale yaminya ukuthi next time futhi ngiyinewa kungathola leyani ngapo ni walubuza le yena kabi manje uphila in between two worlds you fear of losing what you already have and anxiety yakuthiwa lokho angabi nawo akunaleza nazo akasenjoy akekho na aware uleka kumele enjoy batho yila bantu mababachaza bathi they live their life like they'll never die there's nothing meaningful like that Marashon like never lived akenzanga next. Ngoba sibheke people's life thina into esifika ngamnyama it's family then community. People's life one is family thina impilo yethu yageleza olenzani ufundela into eyi-one family community not wena ufundela wena thina bethi njengeyihlahla isihlahla sikhipha amapentshisi asiwadla sikhipha umthunzi asiphumule kuwo and so nyaka uhlwe isilwane
isihlahla asidli amapentshisi wayo
nomthunzi waso asiphumule kuwo.
Everything in nature. The river doesn't drink itself.
When muntu yinenzile abantu.
The conditions for my siblings.
That's what education and religion teaches. Everything's about me. Mayascela makutshela ukuthi fundela ukuba successful. Of which that's not. The success
success means I can kill you to achieve, and that is
no. That's success. What they do, though. That's exactly
success.
What they
actually means Uguti standing on top of other people's heads.
Yeah. That's why in the place scale. Naranjan, when this time you can Naranjan. That person is hypocrite. Boko was you really my part. Malok Samara
and we young maids.
Bella do. We have a boozer. We have a boozer. Let's call it.
There's this thing mina elokhu ngiphethe khuluma ngesikolo khuluma ngama-hospital and all that. What I've noticed is that there's private school, there's private hospital, there's private institutions, and that is somewhere around sibhekisisa as another way of umlungu asibonisa ukuthi the way angafuni ukuthi sibe phambi kwakhe ngakhona. So lezo zinto lezo ziseza thina sabantu abanyama sifuna ukuba la because uncusa yakho uma ucala ukuba successful you want her or him to be at the private institution. Gogo wakho uma ucala ukugula you want to put them in a private hospital, and that is a white man's space. It's what they've built for themselves to say they don't want to be with us thina sabantu abanyama. Yeah, understand. So now that's the part that I wanted to understand to when I ukhuluma so about education and everything else. Tina already been conditioned kanjalo. There's private spaces, and there were private spaces, not a black man's right at the end of the day. But if you're doing private spaces, then you're not in the higher on the next.
It means that we are in a separation individually. Understand? Private school, private. There's nothing private. There's nothing private. We are all connected in one now, direct or indirect. Everything is connected actually. We are connected in that. That's why I made sense to balance the energy.
They must know that.
Must spirituality. We are alchemists. Alchemist is someone who changes lead into gold. And then alchemist actually with everything is energy. And if everything is energy, umuntu send a negative energy on you, will you embrace and turn it into positive energy? Because if you need that energy to be alchemist, you need a lead to prove yourself what can make go.
So lento leyo ukuthi bangishitele that's why ngimbulele ayikho wangabe responsible ke
leyo satellite ke sengisho ukuthi umuntu okuloyile nalo ibiza kutora it's energy
you convert maybe alchemize
bakuchithela well internalize the problem why don't you tell everything is in you
Okay, that's the slack. Oh, shit.
The easiest person to lie to is yourself. There's no one who can go to Lama. You can lie to yourself, go to your first born like I want to see first born. If you see the first born, you don't not like you don't paper like I want to so. Go never do to my job, we are span no whole crave. Some good wish is not. No, what can I say?
My family.
Yeah, of which anything you show with who's chitile, but of chitile and one. You are not living in things. We are no one as I would work ready for me now like you are cheating yourself. No, don't tell me, mammy. No, mammy, you're cheating yourself. She doesn't cheat. So to bull and she doesn't come on. If you all of these things, mammy, all of these things, and has means nothing exists. Everything is just a image you create in context. It's an illusion. You're not choosing. And he must be limited to Mamira, Namapang, about Cocomin on Cool. Baba Chins and Mamira, Mapang. He created you so for a mirror. Pella, I'm not paying about Chuti because I have never been paying a for. She no come back so strategy. I think I say, with you, but not paying a for. You let the code now, but you go. Mamma, you go in my soul. That's a partakers on the each other going to set a penny. He set a penny, a Mamira.
Miraga
Mira settings on our years. It's just a penny and for calling Pella on to Lumu to out you go. We PhD graduate. What can come on?
Just
sure.
Most of the is so it's like no pop la pane speed or whatever shop. Mam ko isa ni leave to and going past and chat. No popular about chat. Yes, chat no popular ne o fa ko leave to. Chat no pop speed or va fazer part. Ko leave to and stuff. O fa ko chiwe go. Pe no propose go to connect to people who drive. Ma hamble propose na so pas. So mais si sous tata zela on va fa chiwe go ko leave to. No popular mo chat to chat mo. That's why in Station City, in Sola Boy, I would look down so moon. Is one who would like our boy, that's what comes to moon. Message to you. You like come go. Got that on any man. Who do any man is sway boy? We are not human. Human. I want to see human go to back like if. First, my senses, like I said, remember who's a guy, show up. Most with an testing, so more to see the cool man, that's you mean. But then to the person spiritual. If you cannot sense what he Nyagi focus la place negative for abantwana abosirili ka. Umuntu omdala mfisa masela place snatch for abantwana. Njalo babula labantwana le eshawela nani ama poison because bafuna umthetho okulethisa ikhaya. But these people they cause a problem so that when you can see the solution.
And the solution was already there when they made.
But that problem for
just give you approval.
My man, it's started the same.
Nibonile namankampani wabelunga wamanzi sewakhona. Ngitshelila ngithi.
Yes.
That's why global khamba manzi.
Ngitshelila ngithi.
Usepe rawi makhe.
Okay, shahamba.
So Thomas kaka lapha 12 ne?
Yeah.
You
Uzasithola khona ke. And that was behind the scenes pre-Kwanzaa. And that was part 2 with the Thokoza Coco gang, our really random and messy episode. But thank you so much for watching.